How's it going, guys? I haven't been on in a while, and I'm back with my friend. We are on Minus Haven today. Well, he has to join me first. So anyways, I've been reborn a lot while he's been gone, and I got 2 real good items that are helping me out a lot. And I know it might be laggy, but it's probably because people around me are lagging. Okay, you can introduce yourself now. Go ahead. Introduce yourself, boo. Thing is, you gotta introduce yourself. Yeah. Also, his channel will be in the description, so y'all can go follow him. You gotta back away from that mic, man. Because my chat right now, the thing's up high. God! Ow! Ear rape! What is in the background? No, like what is in the background that's making that noise? That thing's loud. Well, anyways. You need to hurry up and join my game. Today, I'm most likely just trying to help Trey out still. That boy got big lips though. Okay. We're recording. We can't be talking trash. My game ain't loading in, but I don't care. Boy, I'm gonna be recording this whole video without you or something. Boy, it's 4:20 now. I know, and it's 4. What? Okay, so. Okay, so. I did 7:20. That's probably why it's so laggy though.